The 25-year-old national level tennis player Radhika Yadav, who was shot dead by her father at their residence in Gurugram, was killed following months of tensions within the family, allegedly over her financial independence, Instagram reels, and most recently, a music video appearance that reportedly upset her father. According to the police, Deepak Yadav, who's a 49-year-old man, confessed to the murder during initial questioning. He actually told the authorities that he was repeatedly taunted by villagers in Wazirabad, which is his native place, for depending on his daughter's earnings, and had urged her several times to shut down the tennis academy that she was running. Deepak confessed that he shot Radhika 3 times in the back while she was preparing food in the kitchen around 10:30 a.m. Her uncle Kuldeep Yadav, who lives on the ground floor of the same building, he heard gunshots and rushed upstairs to find Radhika lying on the kitchen floor with the revolver left in the adjacent drawing room. Just listen in to what the police is saying, followed by Anushka's report.
राधिका नाम की लड़की थी और करीब 25 वर्षीय लड़की है जो कि सेक्टर 57 के किसी एरिया में रहती है। ये जो राधिका है ये टेनिस प्लेयर थी। इसके पिता के द्वारा इसको गोलियां मारी गई हैं, जिसको पुलिस के द्वारा अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है और उससे पूछताछ की गई है तो उन्होंने इस घटना को अंजाम देना स्वीकार किया है। फिलहाल जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुई है उसमें पुलिस को मालूम हुआ है कि जो मृतक का है उसको 3 गोलियां कुल मिलाकर के लगी हुई हैं। जो रीजन है घटना के पीछे उसमें फिलहाल तक जो पाया गया है कि ये जो राधिका मृतका थी ये कोई टेनिस एकेडमी अपनी चलाती थी, जिसको लेकर के इसके पिता नाराज थे और उन्होंने इसको कई बार बोला था कि ये एकेडमी न चलाए और इसी नाराजगी के चलते इन्होंने गोली चला करके इस हत्या की वारदात को अंजाम दिया गया है।
We are outside the residence of Radhika Yadav, the state-level tennis player who was shot dead by her father yesterday morning around 10:30 a.m. The whole incident took place at Gurugram's upscale Sushant Lok 2. We are showing you the visuals of the residence where the incident took place yesterday morning. This shocking development, a 25-year-old tennis player Radhika, who was brutally shot dead not by an unknown attacker but allegedly by her father Deepak Yadav inside this very residence. This is the first floor of the residence where the incident took place yesterday around 10 a.m. in the morning. What we are learning from the FIR and early investigation is quite chilling. A promising state-level tennis player had set up her own tennis academy after a career-ending injury. She was mentoring young girls and trying to support her family. But the people who were from her native village, Wazirabad, was taunting his father about how he was living off her daughter's money. That bruised his ego. That led to a heated argument yet again yesterday when she was cooking food in her kitchen. The father fired 5 bullets at her. 5 live cartridges were in fact found, from the residence, from her father's licensed revolver. 3 of the bullets hit Radhika on the back and she was dead on the spot. She was declared brought dead in the hospital. While this incident was happening, her uncle Kuldeep Yadav, who was living on the ground floor of the residence, went up after hearing a loud bang of the gunshot sound, and he went upstairs to see Radhika lying in the pool of her own blood, after which he called the police. He lodged an FIR, and Deepak, whose father, Radhika's father, was arrested on spot. He has in fact also accepted to the crime, had said that he was trying to convince her daughter to close the academy. She was not ready to close, and then that led to a heated argument, after which he had to fire. While this whole incident was happening, Radhika's mother was down with a fever. She was sleeping in the room when she heard the sound. She also in fact went inside the kitchen, and she saw her daughter lying in the pool of her own blood. Now this raises the question of how societal pressure is yet again in fact setting negative standards in the society, as we are seeing the shocking incident that has in fact taken place in Gurugram. The whole society is right now in shock as to how this incident took place, and right now we're also outside, and for further investigations is in fact right now going on this whole matter. With camera person Arun Negi, this is Anushka Garg for Indie TV.
Anushka also joins us at the moment with a live update. Anushka, sorry to keep you waiting. First of all, you've shared crucial details at the moment that the father has confessed, but he killed his daughter following months of tensions within the family. That's what we're picking up on. Allegedly over not just her financial independence, but also some Instagram reels and most recently a music video appearance.
That's right, Parmeshwar. We are showing you the visuals of the very sports academy where she used to play and also teach, and coach, young people who used to come here to play tennis. This is the very ground where she was, in fact, from the past 2 years, teaching people about how, they can be a good player in tennis. Now, Deepak Yadav, who's Radhika's father, a former bank employee who allegedly held a growing resentment towards his daughter's rising stature and independence, particularly after she opened her, she was here in the academy while financial independence and defiance over running the academy were consistent. There were several points of conflict that happened between Radhika and her father that led to his father, her father, gunning her down. What we do know by now is that not just for financial independence, but also she was appearing in a music video, and that was in fact a point of standoff between Radhika's father and her, which led to a heated argument. Deepak was constantly telling Radhika that she should not be making a music video and she should not be in fact working in the academy. Radhika was quite defiant with this. Radhika wanted to coach young people who had dreams, and she was in fact herself a state level player. Back injury that 2 years ago led her to in fact stop playing for the state and national levels. But she was also mentoring young people who wanted to be there in this field. But her father was in fact constantly pursuing her not to further go and teach in the academy, which led to a heated argument. Radhika was not budging off on her own decision, but Deepak was constantly pursuing her and telling her that she should not be in fact working in the academy and she should not be in fact going to teach people. Now, what we do know by now is that while in a fit of rage, he went yesterday to confront Radhika and tell her that she should not be working in the academy, from which Radhika denied. She was cooking food around 10 a.m. in the morning. Deepak went took his licensed revolver and shot down her own daughter in an upscale society in Gurugram. We are showing you the visuals also. This from mere 20 meters from here, Radhika's residence is there. A lot of people from her native village are in fact right now inside. They have refused to talk to the media, but what they are saying is that Radhika used to come and teach in the academy, but the people were not in fact very accepting of the fact that she was there and she was teaching young people. But also what we do know by now is that in a fit of rage and that Radhika's father Deepak Yadav was in, he shot down his own daughter, and after that he also confessed to the crime. Right now the police investigation is going on in this whole matter. They are trying to unearth whether or not there are several other angles that are in fact in the story. But what we do know by now is that this is the very area where Radhika used to play, and mere 20 meters from here lies her residence, where she was killed in cold blood yesterday morning while she was cooking food, not by an unknown assailant, not by somebody who did not know, and not by somebody who was begrudging her for her fame and her potential, but by her own father, who was telling her not to in fact teach in the academy, but also not to make Instagram reels. And there were several other points of standoff between Radhika and Deepak Yadav, which led to Deepak shooting her daughter, shooting his own daughter down in a cold-blooded murder. Over to you.
Anushka, thanks so much for joining us with all the details. Well, police sources have said that Radhika's appearance in a music video may have further aggravated tensions at home, and the father allegedly held a growing resentment towards his daughter's rising stature and independence, as my colleague Anushka Garg is highlighting. Anushka, meanwhile, as you've been reporting, the FIR was filed by Kuldeep Yadav, who's the younger brother of the accused and who's Radhika's uncle. Tell us more about the family's account and what eyewitnesses are having to say at the moment.
That's right, Parmeshwar. When the incident took place in the house, in the first floor where the incident happened, there was Deepak, his wife Manju Yadav, and his daughter, Radhika Yadav. All three were right, in fact, in the first floor where Radhika was cooking food. Radhika's mother Manju Yadav was down with a fever and was resting in her room, and Deepak was in fact in the drawing room where he took out the licensed revolver. He shot 5 times at his daughter. 3 of the bullets hit Radhika on the back. After hearing the gunshot, Radhika's uncle Kuldeep Yadav, who was living in the ground floor, went upstairs to see what the sound was, came from where the sound came. And when he went upstairs, he saw Radhika lying in a pool of her own blood. after which he called the police, lodged an FIR, and police arrested Deepak on spot. While Radhika was, taken to hospital, she was declared brought dead by the doctors. We are showing you the visuals of the whole society, whole locality where she lived, where she played, where she, played for the state level, and she was in fact also competing for the national level, is what the people who are here are in fact telling us. But what we are showing is that from 20 meters from here, there is the residence of Radhika on the first floor, where yesterday 10:30 in the morning the incident took place, where Radhika's own father shot her down because he was aggravated and was angry at how she was, featuring in music videos and was financially independent. He in fact also accepted in front of the police that the people from her native village were in fact taunting her that he was living off his own daughter's money. What we are understanding by now is that Deepak Yadav is a property dealer. His brother Kuldeep Yadav also deals in properties, and they have been living here for quite some time. Radhika, who rose to fame after she was a state level champion. In fact, she had won a lot of medals also. She had quite a lot of potential. 2 years back, she had a career-ending back injury, after which she decided that she will mentor young people in the field of tennis. And she was in fact also teaching in the academy where a lot of people came to in fact, learn how to play tennis from Radhika. Radhika's father, Deepak Yadav, who has been arrested and is right now being questioned by the Gurugram police, was in fact involved in all this incident. He shot down his daughter because of the ongoing argument between him and his daughter about how she should not be teaching in the academy, and not just that, she should not in fact also be featuring in the Instagram videos, due to which he was quite angry. Radhika was quite defiant, and after that this incident happened where a father killed his own daughter in cold blood. Over to you.